everyone. Many students in the 21st century want to earn some extra pocket money by doing a part-time job, but they don't know what exactly to do, and due to that, they are not able to earn money. See, getting part-time jobs or online jobs is not a difficult task. You just have to find the right direction. So, if you also wish to earn some extra money, then do watch this video till the end. Because in this video, we are going to tell you 5 best methods where you can earn money. Let's get started. Number 1. Start a YouTube channel. Famous YouTubers like Bhuvan Bam and Carrie Minati started their YouTube channels when they were in school and college. They used their ability to make others laugh on an online platform. They started their channels just to earn some extra money, but now they are making millions through YouTube. See, on YouTube, when you gain 1000 subscribers and you complete 4000 watch hours, you get eligible to earn money. And once you gain a good amount of subscribers, brands will start approaching you to use your popularity and advertise their products. But remember, on YouTube, consistency is the key. So, if you think you can make the world laugh or you can teach some online facts like us, then start your YouTube channel as soon as possible. Number 2. Become an Instagram influencer. Instagram is another platform just like YouTube where you can earn money. Nowadays, everyone is on Instagram sharing about what's happening in their lives through stories and posts. But unlike YouTube, you cannot earn directly through Instagram because Instagram doesn't pay their creators. So, in order to make money through Instagram, you first have to increase your followers and engagement rate. When you will gain a good amount of subscriber base, companies will start approaching you for the advertisement of their products through your posts, stories, and reels. Number 3. Data entry jobs. Due to the online era, many students have become used to using laptops, and because of that, their typing speed has also increased significantly. So, for those students who can type faster, a data entry job is the best option for part-time work. All you need to do is register at a trusted website like Freelancing, Fiverr, etc. You can just type data entry jobs on the search engine and you will get many jobs related to data entry. This job is very convenient because you can do data entry from home, and also you can earn up to 300 to 1000 rupees per hour. But remember, there are also some scammer on the site who will call you and will tell you that you have to pay some registration fees. So don't fall into their trap because trusted online data entry jobs are free. Number 4. Freelancing. If you're good at content writing, editing, photography or any other such skills, then you can earn money online by working as a freelancer. You just have to register yourself on trusted websites like Upwork, Fiverr, etc. After registering, you can start marketing your skills to potential clients. You can also market yourself offline by telling your skills to your friends or relatives so that you can get some offline clients from freelancing. Most of the websites charge some small fee for registration. Once done, start applying for freelancing jobs on the portal. Number 5. Blog writing. Many students all around the world have earned millions through blogging because blogging is rising to become one of the best ways to earn money online for students. In blogging, you just have to type your thoughts about a variety of topics or issues. Popular blog making sites are Blogger, Tumblr, Weebly, etc. Go on these sites and register yourself to earn some extra money. Also, if you really want to make some good money through blog writing, then spend some time mastering the skills of search engine optimization because SEO allows your blog to be more visible to the users, which helps in bringing more advertisements on your blog page. To learn SEO, you can watch videos on YouTube. So these were some methods on how a student can earn some money. Do let us know in the comment box which method are you going to use to earn some extra bucks. Thank you.